So kind of interesting. Ninja is returning to Twitch. He did get an exclusive multi-year deal, will no longer be a free agent capable of streaming wherever he pleases. By the looks of it, I don't know the specifics of the deal when it comes to exclusivity. Maybe if he goes on some friends stream on YouTube, that might be okay. But ever since the Mixer shut down, he's been experimenting with other platforms. We saw him pop up on YouTube to some fairly respectable numbers. We've been following the Dr. Disrespecting. Shroud, on the other hand, who was also a part of the original Mixer deal before the meltdown, the disbanding, and then the Facebook, the short-lived potential to exist on Facebook gaming, he went back to Twitch, signed an exclusive deal. I remember watching the clip on Twitter. We now have our very own Ninja version of that I'm now on Twitch clip. You can play it, 12 seconds. That is Ninja. There he is. And I guess you'll see a Twitch logo here in a second. A new chapter begins. Look at those emotes. Are those called emotes? No. What are those called on Twitch? What do they call the little things that you get if you're a member and a privileged individual? They're emotes. Okay. Yeah. All right. I was right. Why did I doubt myself? Anyway, so he has the announcement video. I don't know what the scope of the deal is from a financial perspective. My understanding about the Mixer meltdown or the Mixer sale, whatever it was that some of those contracts that they had, those pre-existing contracts, they had to still pay out. So streamers like Ninja and Shroud, they would still take money from the original deal even to exit. It was just interesting to see if any of them were going to attempt to make a go of things on anywhere but Twitch. Twitch was the obvious place for them to go back to when Mixer shut down, because that's where their businesses took off, really. That's where their persona lived for a really long time. So I was curious to see if anyone would try to make a go of it on YouTube. Disrespect is doing it because, well, he has no choice. Yeah. Facebook didn't seem to really attract the attention of any of those big scale streamers. And it just looks like it goes back to business as usual. Yep. Go back to Twitch, sign the multi-year deal. So it makes a lot of sense. One thing I will say, some of the Mixer people might be a little bit aggravated. Some of the old Mixer streamers not at the same scale as Ninja, because they feel like they built an audience on Mixer, maybe because so much attention was brought there from those bigger streamers and those deals. And for them, they'll have to start over and start fresh on Twitch, whereas Ninja can go back to a healthy community sitting and waiting.
Right, yep.
So it has less to do with Ninja and more to do with those individuals and possibly their aggravation with Mixer and everything that happened.
Right.
But nonetheless, Twitch gets to gobble it all up. Twitch gets to have it all back. And Amazon. I'm sure some of them will make a go and take a shot at YouTube, but Twitch is just that place for now, Will.
It is, yeah.
It's when it comes to streaming games, it's that place.